YouTube, just doing a Honda spotlight LED conversion video. I've already got the LEDs and the indicators, and I've got it on this side installed, and I'm just showing you how I did cut this back with some little clippers. As you can see, I had to sort of cut the little rim on the outside with these little snips. They're pretty sharp, and the reason I did that is because the length of the stock bulb that comes in the little cheap eBay spotlight kits is a lot shorter than the LED, so the glass won't fit on until you recess it by cutting back that rim. As you can see on the outside, it's not real thick, it's just plastic sort of reflector, and that'll sit it in the bucket more, and you'll be able to recess that globe in there. So I'll just quickly switch it on so you can see the difference between the stock and the LEDs, and you can see, yeah, it's like night and day, no comparison there. So I'll be able to see at night, and during the day I'll be able to be seen more. So yeah, that's the video for today. Stay tuned for more. Bye.